welcome back to my channel. Today I will make another tutorial on 4 different pairs of earrings. They're a little bit special, so stay tuned. Today I will make 4 different pairs of earrings. They're a bit statementy. They're very noticeable, but they're not any crazy colors or something. It's more of how they're done and their shape. And first I will start with these black and clear crackle glass beads that I have. They're quite big. I think they're about 14 millimeters, something like that. Pretty, and they're very noticeable. First thing, you will need a head pin, and you will also need a bead cap because the holes in this bead are a little bit too big for the head pin. Bead on, then the head pin, then you take your cutter and you adjust the length of the head pin. You take your round nose plier and you make a loop. Take the next head pin, put the bead cap on, and the crackle bead, bend the head pin, and then you cut the length of the head pin so you adjust it to the correct length. Then you take your round nose plier and you make a loop. Like that. Then you take your flat nose plier and your jump ring. Open it with the second flat nose plier and you put the bead on, and then the ear hook, and you close it, and you do the same with the next one. So, there you got your first pair. The second pair I will do today, I will use chain, and I've already cut them. They're 10 centimeters each, and I will use this cute little arrows that I have. And you need some jump rings and some ear hooks. That's all you need. So the first thing you do is take your flat nose plier and a jump ring. You open it and you put the arrow on the end of the chain. Close it, like that, and you take your next jump ring, put an arrow on, and you put this one on the other side, like that. Do the same with the next chain. that. Now we will put the ear hooks on. So you open your jump ring. You have to count the chains to where you put it on, because I want them to be, the arrows, a little bit uneven. This will be okay. Like so. And then you put your ear hook on. Now you've done one. You do the second, and open the jump ring. You try to find the right chain to put it in. And then you put your ear hook on. And you close it. Now we're going to make the third pair, and this is a bit of a trick, because this is acrylics that I found at a grocery store. They were decorations for vases, but when I looked closer to the bag, I could see there was a hole in it. So I thought I will make a chandelier with this, but today I will make an earring. And this is a little bit tricky because you see that it's quite wide in the top here, so you can't use a normal loop. You take the head pin and you cut the end off first, like that. Then you take your flat nose plier and put it somewhere on the middle. And you bend it 90 degrees, like that. And then you hold it there and you bend the other side 90 degrees. And then you move your plier here and bend it 90 degrees. Now you got some sort of a square shape. And this is where the bead is going on. But since it's going to sit on this one, you have to adjust the length. You cut a part off on that side, and you cut one part off on that side. Then we will take the bead and we will try to match it into the hole on both sides. So we squeeze it together and try to fit the hole like that. Then you take your flat nose plier and you squeeze it together so it will look tight. Like that. Now you got something to hang it in. And I have already done the other one, you see? So, then you take your jump rings. Whoopsie. You open it. The bead on. And these are very lightweight, even though they're big, because it's acrylics. And you put your ear hook on. And then you close it. Like that. And then we'll do the next one. Like that. And now we're done. These are quite big, but if you like, you can put some nice chain on before you put the ear hook on, and then they will become longer. But these are about, I would say, 4 or 5 centimeters long, so they're quite big. And now we will do the 4th pair, and for that we need a ruler and we need chain again. So now we're going to make a bit of a different earring. We will need 15 centimeters of chain. We'll take a cutter and we will cut it. There's some scrap in there and no there. There. And you make another one on 15 centimeters. Like that. Then you will take your jump ring. You will open it, and after that you will put the chain and your ear hook on. Take the second jump ring, open it, put the other chain on, I almost forgot the ear hook. Then you close it. And now we're going to put the bead on. And this is a glass bead. There's the hole. I'm going to make a loop. Like that, and then we take the next bead, like that. And then we open the loop on the bead and put the chain on. And these earrings will be extremely long. They will hang down all the way to your collarbone, but they look kind of discreet even though they're different for being so long. I think they look very cute. If I can get the chain on here. Yeah, there it is. Close it like that. Oh no! I thought I got all the scrap chain off, but I didn't. I got half the one I cut. Oh, I better redo this. Things that happen, you know. There you go. Like that. These are extremely long. I don't know if I can fit them in the picture. I'll do like this. Now we take the second bead. And we're going to open that loop as well. Like that. And then we're putting the chain on. And after that, we close it. I touched the camera. Sorry about that. And there you go. We have 4 easy, somewhat of a statement earrings, but they're not extremely big or something. Well, they're big, but they're not too crazy. Here's the arrows. They're also long. With a bit of a different chain on. Like that. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.